Hello, my name is Raul. So I just finished my previous video, so which is this Power BI dashboard. Utilizing Databricks. So now I'm just continuous another Databricks project. So in this particular project or demo, I will create a Pyspark Databricks transformation project, right? So this is the Pyspark code project, right? So, je viens de finir justement mon projet en, euh, a- avec Databricks, dont je faisais une transformation et ça, c'est un tableau de bord que j'ai créé sur Power BI. Donc, ça, c'était un rapport. Donc, c'est juste un petit peu la continuité. Bon, cette fois-ci, on va travailler sur un projet euh, de, de, de transformation avec PySpark. Donc voilà. Je vais pas encore me présenter parce que je me suis déjà présenté dans ma vidéo précédente, dans mes vidéos précédentes, parce que j'ai quand même plusieurs vidéos sur YouTube que vous pouvez regarder et liker si vous voulez. J'ai des vidéos sur Always on Hybrid Code, sur SSIS, sur SSAS, sur SSAS, sur Service Patching aussi, sur SQL Server, puisque je suis plus spécialisé sur les produits de Microsoft. Mais j'aime aussi, vous savez, euh, c'est-à-dire que apprendre des nouvelles technologies, peut-être comme AWS, Google Cloud, Snowflake, DBT, c'est-à-dire Database Tools. So, let us go. Actuellement, bon, j'avais déjà créé, je pense que j'ai dû vous expliquer un petit peu ce qu'on appelle un cluster, ou peut-être un compute, et j'ai déjà créé mon cluster. Là, je vais encore créer un notebook qui va s'appeler cette fois-ci, let us create a notebook here, qui va s'appeler euh, euh, transform, euh, transform rows data. Rows data signifie data brick, les données brutes, pardon, data. Rows data signifie en fait les données brutes. So now, as you can see in this, peut-être que je peux éventuellement, parce que je vais faire les choses un peu plus rapidement, laissez-moi copier ça. Laissez-moi copier juste ça. Je viens là, je copie, j'ouvre un onglet, je paste here, je go. Et là, je reviens là, je vais encore ici, je vais sur this one. So now, let's starting. So for example, let us jump in this particular project. So for example, I have this data, right? So uh, I have this data. This is this is not the CSV file, but this one is the one of the text file, right? If you open this text file and trying to, I'm gonna open, yeah, this text file. As you can see here, I got this text file. So if you can see here, this text file do not have, they have something that is missing. Something is missing here. This is not, this is very hard for the business to, to interpret. Donc, comme vous le voyez, ça c'est un fichier que j'ai justement ouvert. Et comme vous le voyez là, il y a quelque chose qui manque. Par exemple, il manque des colonnes. Vous voyez, 1, 2, 3, 4 jusqu'en 6, il manque un petit peu des colonnes. OK? Et je referme ça, j'ouvre encore un autre qui va s'appeler, je vais dire celle-ci, qui va s'appeler celle-ci. Vous voyez, la même chose, il manquait quelque chose, il manque des colonnes. Ok, on voit un, 2, 2, 2, A, mais on ne sait pas, on sait que on a des données, ce sont des données brutes, mais on ne sait pas quoi, on ne sait pas comment on peut l'interpréter. On va dire que bon, voilà, on a India, on a Zwiki, on a la date, etc. Là maintenant, il faut que je transforme ces données-ci dans Databricks. Et pour cela, si je referme ça complètement et je vais là sur Databricks. So I'm going to go here and go back here, and then let me come back here, and then come back here, and then go here, and then go to the table. So I need to upload these two files. So click here, come here, and then I need to upload this text file right here. And this is the cell, click OK. And as you can see, cell underscore, and then I will upload another one, which is just 1 minute. Click here, and that is upload. So that's fine. So I have two. Now, in order to, in order to type in the code, I'm going to come here, just copy this code, right? Because this one is going to be, let me show, we can already show you how you can create this one. So show me O file in my GBFS, and then come here and then copy this one, and then come here again, paste it here, paste it here, and then say run. You can see, and I'll show you what you find inside. So as you can see now, see these two files, which is this one, text file. Text file is again here. So now I need to read the file himself. How to do that? So in order to read the file, so what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to come here and say, okay, let us read this one. So let me go here and then say, we go here and then say, uh, read the file, right? Read, read, read file, file, cell, okay, okay, read cell file, okay. See, no, read the file cell. So in order to read that, I can say, okay, let me go here and say, uh, uh, df, then equal to spark, then say, okay, the same logic, wait, dot, okay, format, okay, and then I'm going to say here, let me say this, mm, this, and then say dot option, okay, option, not s, sorry, and then say header and then is a header, is header, otherwise can come here and copy this quick. Let me type it, okay. Header equal to true, and then say true, and then say here, comma, here, infer schema, and then equal to true as well, and then here dot load dot, and then say okay, come here, copy this one, and I can show you quick. You can see how the files look like inside. Can remove this one as well. Can come here and say no. Okay, show me the file here. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, gf dot, no, display gf1 from, why is not working here, option. Option, let me execute this one again. You can see, okay, that's well. Soit Apache de bâti HTML. So, okay. What is going on here? Okay, let me copy this one, come back quick because I want to do this video very quick and just paste it here and then just came here and copy this one, paste it here. Okay, I see because I will provide the code here and then say gf1, gf2, and then here chain to 2, and then put the bracket here, and then let us run this one and we can see that one is working now. As you can see, this data, this raw data, ces données brutes ne sont pas vraiment consistantes comme on le pense. Pourquoi? Parce qu'elle n'a même pas de colonnes. Parce que regardez, on a A, on a presque les, les, les données qui sont des colonnes, comme N2. OK? Maintenant, si on prend aussi ça et on vient là, on crée ici, je vais juste copier. Euh, euh, read uh, read read the file the cell file. Okay, read data file menu. Okay, and then I'm going to paste this one here, right? I'm going to change this one to maybe menu like that, and then say okay, df3, change the data from here, and then 3 again. Again, you can execute here. So as you can see, the same pizza become the column, the field. Donc on voit bien que les données pizza sont devenues des colonnes. Donc ça, il faut apporter une transformation, il faut apporter un ajustement pour rendre ça plus consistant et plus un petit peu plus précis, quoi. Donc, et pour faire cela, euh, euh, il y a une, on doit créer des codes ici. Je vais dire peut-être, comment je vais dire là? Je vais dire, on va dire, let me go here again, and here, and then just say, uh, doing transform this cell file based on the business requirement or business needs. When I say requirement, okay, and then now we need to start now. We need first of all what we need to do, okay? La première des choses qu'on doit faire ici, c'est justement d'importer certaines fonctions. So I'm going to import the function from, okay, I'm going to say from Pyspark dot SQL dot type. Okay, import. I can define maybe the structure. I'm going to say structure type, a structure maybe structure field like this, or maybe structure, or maybe no, integer type. Okay, but I don't want to do like this. I'm going to do go ahead and then do some asterisk here, and then now what I'm going to hit define here, I'm going to say schema, maybe data schema. Let me do like this, okay, and then say equal to structure. No, I need to first of all import this. So click here, run this one first, and then that is done. And then now say, okay, schema dot underscore data equal to structure, okay, structure type. No, not string type, structure type. Um, Structure type, and then open the parenthesis, put some bracket inside, and then come here, and then now say structure field, and then uh give define this and say product. Let me check. One is okay. I know what. So you can define your name. How many column we have? Got one, two, three, four, five. Come in the column. How many fields? One, two, three, four, five. Comment with the column. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay. You're gonna see here product underscore ID uh good, and then you're gonna see what we need to define here is the integer. We need to say integer. Let's see integer type, and then true. And then because I don't want to keep typing all the time, so I'm going to just copy here. We got five. Now je vais pas continuer à taper. And well, how many go here? Three. Come on, man. Come on. Don't do me. Just give me some respect, please. So go type and then four, and then here now I'm going to rename this one because I'm going to take the A is customer ID, customer customer ID. Here, what is this one is the date. Here I'm going to say order date, and then here I'm going to say uh, country because I saw India above on the top. Country I'm going to say here. Okay, here I'm going to say sell, no, sell order. Okay, and then here if you can say okay, now remove this and then say df. Let me do so do like this df t, which is transform, or you can see transform equal to spark, okay, the 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 read the format, and then say okay, CSV, the option. Where's that option come? It's not come the intelligent. Okay, open this one and then say uh infer schema uh equal, no, infer schema uh that is infer schema, or infer schema, no, infer schema. I'm gonna say infer schema true, and then here I'm gonna say dot schema. You're gonna say dot schema, and we need to get this, copy, paste it inside, and then say dot load, and then open this one inside. I'm gonna copy this text. Where is that? Show this one, and then if you execute again, copy and paste it here, And then once we paste in here, let's say, let me take this one. And then we, let me see if you can see display. We need to display the result. Here we can see TF underscore TR. And then we can say, okay, let's see what is going on. So this is what, let me check the error here. So import storage format, saving action, infer schema to true dot schema. Okay, 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 okay. Migration. So true, assign GF. Okay, and then here what I'm gonna try to do. Not not this one, not this one. What is the problem here? See, data from to read one position argument, but three were given. Okay. Here, two, you go top. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Country, product ID, customer ID, order date, country, so order, and then just rate format, and then the option schema, the option. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, just correct the result because see where the result come from, the option here, and then modify this one, and then execute here, and then well. So il faut toujours être, c'est-à-dire que rester toujours update dans le sens d'apprendre, hein, parce que c'est très important, parce que pendant vos, vos moments de, en fait, pendant, lorsque vous travaillez sur des tâches, surtout sur Databricks, vous êtes amené à aller debug et essayer de troubleshooting, c'est-à-dire que lorsqu'il y a peut-être des défaillances au niveau des problèmes que vous rencontrez, vous deviez essayer de lire et comprendre et aller justement le corriger. Par exemple, vous le voyez là, like I said, so if you want to learn, I mean, trying to improve your skills, right? You need to be able to go and fix the issue all the time. This is something you can you will be able to get it on a daily basis when you working on your own project sometime, and you need to be able to go to the website and do maybe your own research as well. It's very important. Donc il faut être aussi être capable d'aller sur les sites internet, essayer de fouiller un petit peu euh, sur les forums, peut-être sur les différents sites ou peut-être sur Microsoft, la documentation de Databricks, et essayer de collecter les informations pour essayer d'apporter une correction sur vos problèmes. Parce que là, maintenant, regardez, j'ai un problème là. Le problème qui se pose, c'est que là, j'ai les données en haut. Vous voyez bien qu'il y a des données ici. J'ai que des null, null, null. This is not fair, right? This is something you have to go and correct because here you have the null, 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 which is not correct. So what you can do here, quick, you can check the integer. For example, if you can see the data type here, you see the data type. For me, I think the data type here is the strings, right? So you can go here and find the string data type. And here is uh, the type, I think. You can see the type as well. And here is the string as well. I think all of them is string now. Uh, string, string as well, string type. And then here, I think it's a string type as well, right? Or maybe should be string or string type. So now if you try to execute again, we see there's an issue with what let me it's a date type also use data type. Make a mistake. Let me check again. Okay, see a fix already. So I so this is what I said. You need to be because remember I got this one which is not correct. So you have to be need to pay attention of the detail as well. As you can see here. See if you see, because it's not data type, it's date type, date type. So now this has been fixed. And this is how now the data will look like. So this is the third transformation I bring on this rows data. So as you can see now, you have the product ID, customer ID, the order dates, country, the sell order. Okay, this is more better. This is much better, right? Donc voilà la première transformation que j'ai apportée sur ces données brutes. Par exemple, là maintenant, comparé à ça, qui n'était pas vraiment, il n'y avait pas de colonne. Là maintenant, vous avez le nom des colonnes des fields. Product ID, Customer ID, Order Date, Country, Sell Order, right? Et il faut faire aussi la même chose pour, let me copy this one as well. So let me copy this entire one. Come here, uh, copy this one. Come here and say, so transform. Let me copy it up first. This one. Come at the button here, click here, and then say in this one, and then go here and then do some transformation as well based on menu file, right? Change. Now go here, copy this one, and then here we can do some transformation as well. And now we're gonna change this one. We're gonna take this one. How many? I got 3. I can check this one. I can see here. This is what this is. Okay, okay, okay. This one is okay. So this is the price. Okay, this is the price. This is the product name, and this is the product ID. Small, nice price can be. We can leave this one as a string, or maybe as an integer. I don't know. String type. So now what I have here, I need to change only this here because it's the menu, the file menu here. I need to say, okay, let us go with M. Let's go here, check the file M as well, and let me execute and you can see it as well. Okay, that's fine. You see, this is much better than this one. You see, that now we've got the column. Maintenant, ça c'est mieux parce qu'on a des colonnes. On a product ID, product name, et on a le price, le prix. Oui. Maintenant, euh, euh, l'utilisateur vient vers moi, en fait. J'ai le client qui vient vers moi et il me demande que, bon, voilà, Raoul, je veux que tu puisses m'ajouter euh, des dates, en fait, d'autres colonnes extra sur cette table. Mais des colonnes que je dois ajouter, ça doit faire référence à cette colonne order, order underscore date. How to do that? So the client come to me and say, okay, Raul, I want you to add a new column, a new extra column, such as maybe year, month, and quarter, right? How to do that? So here I can go here and say here like this. This is transformation, transform proper business business need. Okay, and then say uh, add derive. Let me say derive uh, column column. Uh, so also year. Let me see year, month, and then quarter. Right? Ça c'est annuel. Ça c'est trimestre, ça c'est mensuel et ça c'est trimestriel. Ok, so le client veut que je puisse ajouter justement ces trois colonnes-ci. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire sur ces trois colonnes? Euh, on, on cell. So what I'm going to do, first of all, from, and then Pyspark to import, and then dot SQL dot function. This is the function because this is not a type, it's not a function now. So we can say year, we get month, and then quarter, right? So, but I would prefer to use this one. So I'm going to say, and then come here, and then execute this one, and then what is going on? Oh, God. So this is what I said. Be able to go and try to fix. I know where the issue come from. So because I forgot to type import, right? And then come here now, and then say, right, working correctly. And then how to do that? How to add. So now to add that column, what we need to do, we need to say, okay, df add, right? Because I add the new record. And then say, when I say df add, I'm going to say now, I'm going to get this, because I need to get this, here's my data from this one, I think it's this one. And then come here and then paste it here and then say dot width, width, and then column, and then here I'm going to say this is my new column I want to add. So order, I will look correctly because I don't have the order year in this column. I have the order date, but I do not have the order year. So this is the order year, this new column. Ah, donc ça c'est une nouvelle colonne que je vais ajouter parce que je n'ai pas cette colonne dans cette table-ci. C'est ça que l'utilisateur, le client veut que je puisse ajouter, que j'ajoute sur cette table. This is. So now what I'm going to do here, when I say order year, now I'm going to say comma and then pass the function year, and then when I pass the function, I'll open my bracket now, I'm going to define the frame, which is this one, and say dot, okay, and then define the name of that original column, which is cell order date. Here, I think so. Order date. Okay, order date. And then here, that is better. Let me check. You can see. Yes, this is how it will look like. So yeah, and then now I need to pass another color. The client want the month. So I'm going to say month and then change this one to change the function, which is the month, as you can see here. And the client want me to add the quarter, right? I'm going to say quarter here and say quarter here as well. You can name the column here as you want. You can say maybe cell year, cell month, and cell quarter, right? So it's up to you. And then here now, what I'm going to try to do here, if you're trying to execute this one and say df, so display, and then here I'm going to say df underscore a, right? And this is my stuff from in trying to execute and see how it's look like. So, okay, okay. Let me try to execute back again. Let me come back here and say, let me execute this one. And let me execute first this one. Let me execute this one. And then come here and then come here, execute this one. You can see, let's see what is changed. Okay, there's no change in here. There's no change in here. Okay. Okay. Let me execute this one. Let me get this one. Let me get this one. Let me get this one. Let me execute this one. Let me execute this one. Okay, this will go down. Let me fix this one and see. Okay. Mm-hmm. The year, month, quarter. Let me comment this one. You can see. Comment in this one and then execute back again. Okay. How come I got this one? It's fine. What I did? Okay. 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 Got what I did. I don't think I need a comma here, but let me go here. Okay. I don't need a comma here. I don't need a comma here. Okay. Let me let me look my only how it would GF. Okay. The month. Yes. I think the problem. Let me come here. Or maybe I have to define. Okay, I know where the issue come from. So let me get this. Okay, I know where the issue come from. Let me come here where I do not have. Okay, let me go here, paste this one here, and this one paste it here. I'll go, I'll get all the results. So je vois pourquoi je n'ai pas tout le colonne. Moi exécute encore ça pour voir. Data from, and then yes, I got it. So yes, this is what I told you. Be able to go and trying to fix the issue. So now I got older year, older year, older month, older quarter. So if you export, you can see now, you can see uh, it's fine for me. So now what you can do, you can get this one, and then you know, like I said, you can use the magic command. You can use you can create the view and use that view in the SQL. So use the magic command. But otherwise, for example, you can say, okay, create like for example, gf underscore tr, uh, and then you can say uh, this. You can say dot tr underscore create. You can create that, you know, you know, create. You can say term view, or maybe cell table, right? You create. But I don't want to do it. This is not the case. So now what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to delete this one. So the data has been transformed, which is correct, which is nice, which is perfect here. So now let me show you how you can try to, do some transformation. So for example, you can do the transformation. No, I don't want to do the transformation. You can say, okay, let me say total, uh, total, total amount spent by each customer. How to do that? Customer, we can now what I can do, I can because I can say, okay, let us say that we're gonna say we're gonna provide maybe my data from GF spend a month, right? And then we say, okay, let us say, okay, what I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna say, and then say GF dot GF dot tr, which more data from, and then say I'm going to join these two table, right? I'm going to join these two table because I have another table. So what is my data from for the menu? So okay, this one, okay, DFM. I need to copy this because I want to join with this. So this is how, yes, this is um, comma. I need to say, okay, product. Let me check. You got the product IDs here. You got the product IDs here. So this product ID is unique here, but it's referred to this one. So this is the foreign key constraint. So this one, so one customer can purchase two product here. As you can see, okay, two. So this is unique, and this is not unique, right? This is more the foreign key. So I'm going to say dot, no, G, and then here I need to say dot, I need to group in, right? Group by, and then say group by what? Customer, I think so. Customer ID. So, and then you can say you can put some aggregates and then say, okay, uh, here, this is more complex here. So here you need to get some curly brackets. It seems that you don't have curly bracket. You say, okay, let us go price because the price, read price. And then you say here, because we get some curly bracket when we say price here and we sum. Now here, when we sum, let me check here, yeah, and sum, then say here, and then we can say, now we can say, okay, the order, what is the order by? Order by, then order by what? Customer, frame customer, customer ID, and then we can put another enclose here. Also, okay, order by. If you try to execute this one, no, let me do this one, which is display, and here, we copy here, paste it here, then say execute, you can see, okay, swap, let me check the error, customer ID, order by customer ID, customer ID, customer ID, customer ID, customer ID, no, sorry, okay, so say screen gf dot join underscore gf underscore gfm and product id dot goodbye customer id dot open parenthesis and a curly bracket, so a curly bracket is the sum and a curly bracket plus the one is an order order by, okay, there's an order by, okay, order by order by, oh, okay, we type this one here, okay, let me get this one, okay, let me copy this, prepare this one like this, let me get this one like this, and then just paste it here, replace, so you can see, you see, gftr, gf, uh, yeah, gf mini, and then display here gf underscore spt, and then executing, you can see, okay, this is how it look like, okay, okay, yeah, so yes, this is how it will look like, maybe the total amount spent by each customer, so you can see customer a 4003, 16. And you see customer B 4,414, and so on. We can now say, okay, maybe get the maybe do something like that. You can also rename this column as well. So yeah, can rename this one as well. So in order to rename, what you can do, already have some which are written so far so on. So let me copy this one here. This is to rename one column. So just to show you how you can rename the column here, you can see, okay, you can see GF, you can see like maybe GF, copy this one, come here and rename here and say price and say maybe total price, and this will rename the column. So let me check. Oh no, I say okay, this one GF3. Then here I need to paste this one, paste this one, then you can say okay. That will rename the column here. You can come here and say maybe display or whatever, and then GF3, then GF3, 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 and then we can say execute, and you can see the column has been renamed, right? So this is just an example. So now if you can say, okay, let us so okay, you say the customer maybe amount total amount spend uh, of sell 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 in each country, right? Each month, right? Each month. And we can just copy this one out as well, this and paste. So I just want to show you quicker. So please see here order month function, order month. We can maybe take this one out like this, and then we can execute and see this look like have your result. You see, this is the month 11,910. In February, got 2,730. So this is how you can also say, okay, get the maybe the uh, yearly, okay, yearly sell, and then paste the same code in here. We just say, okay, change this one to uh, order order year, and then we can remove this one as well. Okay, execute, same thing. You can see in 2023 we got 9,919, and here 2022. Donc comme vous le voyez, la totalité des ventes, donc ça c'est les ventes annuelles. Maintenant on peut faire des ventes, je crois que trimestrielles, auxquelles is quarter sale, okay, quarter sale, okay. And then you can just paste the code here and then change maybe order quarter, and then remove this Okay. So this is an overview just to show you, right? So see water. We can also say, okay, maybe uh, say, okay, maybe uh, sell, okay, sell by each country. And then we can paste it here. We replace and say, okay, country. We can execute here. This country? Okay, we can remove this. I don't know if you have typed correctly the country. You can see. And you can see, you see India got 4,816. US, we got 2,416. And UK, we got 7,020. You can see, this is the Pyspark code, right? You can come here as well. You can see maybe get the maybe I'm gonna say the cell order, maybe uh, maybe total could be total cell order, uh, total cell order, yeah, total cell order. And you can click here, you can paste it here, and you can replace this one cell order, and then you can remove this, and then we can say you can run, you can see Zamanto 4,000. And then now what we can also do now, I'm gonna do click. So so this is how we can also maybe get maybe the top. I don't know. I got something like for example, let me. I've saved that really somewhere. So for example, for the top five, see, uh, top five ordering item. Okay, ordering item. We can say, okay, let me copy some querying. I'm going to put it here, get this querying here like this. Uh, Copy this one and paste it here and then say, okay, let me say, okay, uh, let me move this GFTR and then GF M, and then so we can say this is, I can remove this one. This is for top five. Top five. Okay, product ID, product name. Uh, Let me product. Okay, okay. See, so able to benefits. Okay, I'm gonna say display and then say okay, this one GF IO and then this one. No, no, this one. See, then we can see avoid and then display GF. Then we can execute this one and see. And this is the top five. See, now if you want to do for the top, okay, let me get this one here. I just copy this one, cut this one, close this one, then paste it here, and then execute. And you can see that's fine. And what about this one? Top. Let me open another one here and say mm, top order item. So top order item, we just need to change this one to 1, and then we can go the top order item. See, sandwich. So now, yeah, this is how you can do. So now what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to show you how we can, how we can create some, let me check my phone here. Okay, let me check my phone. Okay. So now I'm going to try to show you how you can create maybe a dashboard in Databricks. So for example, so if we check this one, if you let me show you something quick. If we come back here for this transformation, starting from here, we from here total. Okay, okay, okay. So, for example, we start from here. We can now visualize the data. Go to the visualization here. I'm going to do quick. So we can go here and say, okay, show me this bar, change the color, and then go here, maybe add maybe this color and add the data label here, and then click OK, and then save, and then we can come here and see OK, right? So, and then for this one, which is uh, then for the spend cell in each month, we can say, okay, let us go for, I'm going to go for this visualization. And then we can take this one, we can say the pie, and then we can, maybe we can change the color, but that is correct for us. Please save, and then go here, right? And for the cell yearly cell, can also come here on the visualization, go to Pi, and then click save, and then so this is the spread, and then okay, let me check maybe this one, edit. You can also edit, mm, edit from where, you can rename. Okay, I can edit from here. Let me go with this one as well. Then change the color. Maybe get this one. Then enable this one. Say okay. Then for the auto cell, you can say visualization. Then go to the pie here. And then click this one. Save. And then for the each country here, which is name. Each country here, we can see color is, I'm going to say this one, and then show the data label. Okay, we can reduce this one, minimize. We can also confirm this cell order visualization here. So order visualization, I'm going to go with line, for example, here. The color maybe red, then it show label, click OK, and then which is this one, bring this one here, and then for the, well, this one, this is the top, top. We go for the color. Color is this one. Show the data label. Data label here, and then bring this one here, and then yes, that's right. And then here, this one also is so important. This one we can go with the content here, and then can say product name, and then we got this one. Click OK, save. And then now we can come here, here. That's fine, right? So now, what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to copy this one here, and then we can close this one because I want to see. So now what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to uh, I'm going to try to create a dashboard. In order to create a dashboard, what we can do, we can just come here, new dashboard, click on the new dashboard here, and once the new dashboard is created, so let me get my phone because this is important for me. I need to let me stop this. Yeah. Um, come on. So I need to join this call. Okay. So now, yeah, this is how you can give the name analysis. I need to leave analysis. I have analysis cell, right? So, and then here you just come here, delete all this, 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 and delete all this, and delete all this, and delete all this, delete all this, and that is fine. So this is how now you can delete all this as well. And then now you can just bring this one on top here. You can bring this one top. Okay, you can bring this one on top. Then you can bring this one here. You expand this one. And this one you can expand here as well. You can expand this one here. 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 So now this is you can now go here and do some rename. You can rename here. You can say okay, uh, top cell. You can give the name top cell. You can give the top cell here, and then you see you can rename all of them. So, and once you finish all of them, you can go here and then present in the dashboard. As you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So I don't want to go through and make code that's changing. So, and then now, once there is a changing on your source system, once we run the Databricks, that will those changes will be reflected here. Donc, si vous faites des mises à jour sur votre source de données, lorsque vous allez exécuter Databricks, automatiquement, ça va refléter sur votre dashboard ici. Merci beaucoup. Merci, bonne journée.